Alright! And begin the Narnia vlog. I wanted to go to this place, but nobody wanted to come with me, so I'm just gonna vlog the whole time. We're gonna make this little thing, because I haven't vlogged in days! Or months even. So let's get this going, guys. Yeah! We have arrived. Let's go. I won't show you too much because I can't just give away this spot because it's like my favorite spot. So, yeah. It might look like a dead end, but that's just because it is one. Oh, it's all muddy again. Got my Jesus slippers on. What? Right, everyone? Be jealous. This is my first vlog with this camera. I'm pretty excited, especially because I'm just going to my favorite place in the entire world. So, yeah, let's go. Walking, still walking. Oh no, how will I ever get over these cattle guards? Oh, that's right, I'm not a cow. Good. They're leaving. Shoots! Check out the view here, guys. So I guess since I'm doing all this walking, it'd probably be a good time to shout out the last video I made about those pro surfers. Talk about it a little bit. It was just a big event where that building there is going to be now used to help and teach kids surfing. But these guys just had a really awesome story about coming from this little tiny island. They have, you know, crummy waves, and they were able to make it big. And now they live in the north shore of Oahu, where they do pro surfing over a pipeline all the time, and they're just living their dream. And it's awesome, it's inspiring. I'm a fan, and I respect it a lot. If you guys are watching this, guys, thank you so much for being a part of that and allowing me to film it and tell your guys' story. Mahalo. Oh, and if you haven't been able to check it out yet, check it out. It's a great video. Be inspired. Follow your dreams. First signs. Look at that. Oh man, we have arrived. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Oh. QB room. Time to walk across there with my super expensive gear. There's a shot that I really want to get that can only be done properly with this camera. So that's what I'm going after today. I just hope my hand doesn't get in the way. Well, this is what camera insurance is for. Woohoo! Made that one. That was sketchy. All right, Danger Zone Part 2. so sketchy. Woo! Makes your heart beat when you have a $3,000 camera in your hand. That's where I was. So that last part was, I think, the worst part and the most treacherous part. So the worst is behind us. There's one more part that I'm a little bit worried about. We'll see how it handles. But I think it's safe to say that the best is behind us, or the worst is behind us. But I will have to go back, so it'll be eventually in front of me again. Yeah. All right. Jesse's travels. Da, da, da. So like, people said they had better things to do than be here. I was shocked. Ugh. Fools. There she is. That's what I want. Right there. It's mine. I will now leave the slippers behind, for I need my toe grip. Grippy, grippy. Certainly much easier to do with no sandals on. Woo! Let's try that again in slow motion. Oh, this would be so much easier if I could really use this hand. I'm just like, I had to go along the whole edge of that. The whole edge, just walked along there. You know, one hand, broken hand kind of. Ow! Ow! Ah. This is not good. I gotta stop like putting so much pressure on this wrist. I'm gonna tighten this real quick. Okay, so last time I just jumped off this rock and swam over there and went up. But I don't have a dry bag. I mean, I could maybe like swim with my backpack above my head. It'd be hard. I could do it. My other option is go here, up that rock, over there, and down. I'll let you know how I did it when I get to the other side. That went pretty well, actually. So I went over here. I tried going up, but it just like, oh, it wasn't a good look. So I ended up just like walking along right here. Luckily, it was just deep enough or shallow enough to keep my hands and my gear above water. Through it right here. Now I just gotta like. All right, guys. Hey guys, so I have to climb up there, and it's better if I just do this with my bag or my camera in my bag. So I'm just gonna put it in my bag, and I'll see you guys at the top at the glory spot, okay? Kind of cold because it's like 5:30 right now. but I haven't been fully in the water yet, so I had to do it. I hope you can hear me. I'm gonna head back now because it's getting close to 6 and the sun's gonna go down soon. I'm gonna enjoy this for a little bit longer. One more of these. And then for the Latin in me. Let's get going. Here's what it looked like. Basically just did this all the way across. Alright, come on. Let's get you across now. Do 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 do. Alright. You have made it. We're walking back now. I hope everybody at home is having a wonderful day. Delightful day. Are you having a good day? Are you smiling right now? Because you should be smiling. This life is amazing. Yeah, appreciate it. Welcome back, slippers. Ooh. Yeah, on the way. On the road again.
Alright, time to go through here again. This will be fun.
Alright, I went through there again, but with this strapped to my chest with this around it, and it ended up being even worse than last time. I don't know why I thought that would be a good idea. I just didn't want to put it in my backpack. That was almost really, really, really bad.
Alright, last part.
We did it. Oh, we made it. Ugh. Ouch. Oh, ow. Ah. Ah. Oh, I just need the crap out of a rock. Okay, let's go.
Hi, Narnia. I had a wonderful time with you, especially you back there. Thou shalt not be forgotten.
Bye. Alright, you guys, and the journey home continues.
Oh, woe is me. Woe is. On the road again. We're on the road again. Woo, we made it.
Alright, and that'll be the end of the vlog, you guys. It's been a wonderful day with you. I'll see y'all later. Have a happy day. I suppose right now is a good time to talk to you guys about my life a little bit, what's been going on. Yeah, I took a bit of a break from making videos, not really by choice, but because I had to. I like just got to the island and I was like settling in, you know? It's a big thing when you move to a new place and you have to like kind of find a job, meet a bunch of people, you know, do things you're not supposed to do that you know aren't good for you, but you do them anyway because they feel like the easy thing to do. It's a whole mess. You don't want to do it. Learned my lesson. Spent several months making poor decisions. But like now I'm like ready to make the right decisions, which is why I've officially become a full-time filmmaker. This is it. That's all I'm doing now. From now on. That's it. I'm calling it now. This is my job. This will take care of me for the rest of the time. As of now. So, I just wanted to give some gratitude and thanks to everyone who's been a part of my life and been a part of this journey. And thank myself a little bit too for getting here. Man, it's been a long one. It's been a good one. And I'm super stoked to see where it goes forward from here. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching these videos, by the way. I have a ton of fun making them, and it gets me an excuse to like get out and go see dope stuff like this. A little shout out to all my friends, my close friends who stuck by me. My family, specifically my sister Tiana, Tanisha. They've been really, really amazing people supporting me with this job and helping me find my way and always being there to talk to. Yeah. And then thank you Sanji, Mike, Mondo. You guys have been great to me too. This island wouldn't be the same without you guys. Yeah. Thanks guys. And Sean. Mr. Sean, thank you for getting me all these sweet jobs and putting me in these sweet positions where I can just explore and just take off. Yeah, thanks everyone who's been a part of it. Alright, I'm gonna head out of here now, guys.